Hello traders and welcome in a new daily market analysis video. Today is the 1st of June 2022 and this video is brought to you by the market research team at PO Prime. Let's have a quick look on the markets. Today we are starting to see some movement on gold prices below $1830 per ounce, as well as the dollar and the oil trading. Let's have a quick look on the markets. What do we have on our economic agenda? This will be answered during today's video. Please stay tuned. Starting with the economic agenda, we can clearly see that basically we have some expansion or some good numbers from the German economy regarding the manufacturing PMI or the purchasing managers index. Basically, the numbers were expected to show around 54.7, and this is for the month of May. However, the reading of 54.8 is both higher than the expected as well as higher than April reading, which is basically positive and bullish for the German economy and the Eurozone as a whole. Having a look also on the manufacturing PMI for the month of May from the British economy, it is basically lower than the previous reading and just came around the expectations of 54.6. Going forward, today we basically have a speech from the ECB President Christine Lagarde. She's expected to give a speech about, of course, the monetary policy in the Eurozone, especially after some numbers that we had yesterday with the rising inflation. So markets are at the moment pricing in some rate hikes from the ECB in July's meeting. Will this basically happen or not? This is something that we will be looking for some answers for during Christine Lagarde's speech today. Going forward, we also have the ISM manufacturing PMI numbers for the month of May from the US economy, as well as the job openings for the month of April. And we end the day with the highly awaited Bank of Canada interest rate decision. Basically, a 50 points rate hike is expected to be delivered to the markets today. We'll need to wait and see what will happen on the Canadian dollar. That was all for the economic agenda. Let's have a quick look on the technical analysis and the charts. Starting with the dollar index, basically we mentioned in yesterday's video that we might have a correction to the upside. We are waiting for some upward correction on the dollar index, supported by this bullish divergence we're having on the 30 minutes and the 4-hour time frame. So basically the dollar is starting to move to the upside at the moment. We do expect a continuation of this move during today's trading day, especially after breaking above this falling wedge, which is basically a bullish pattern to the upside. So yes, we are starting to see a higher high as well as a higher low. We do expect a continuation of the upside move on the dollar index, and our target should be around 102.45 roughly during the day. Going forward and having a look on gold trading, basically we broke this descending triangle to the downside. So during the day we are basically bearish on the gold trading. However, any upside movement is expected during the day. We might head again to retest the levels of 1840. This should be a good opportunity to short the gold trading or the gold prices during the day. So we are overall bearish on gold trading. However, current prices are not the best to go and short. However, any upside movement or any upward movement should be a good opportunity to continue the movement to the downside. Having a look on US crude oil, basically we mentioned in yesterday's video that as long as we are holding our trading above the 115 and 115.50 dollars per barrel is something bullish on the medium term. We had this brilliant retest on the 4-hour time frame, and we can see that on the 30 minutes time frame we can see what seems to be a double bottom pattern formed here. So during the day, basically we are bullish on the US crude oil. We might head again and test the levels of 120. However, the key condition is to hold our trading above the main support that we're having on our chart, which is the 115 dollars per barrel. That was all for today's daily market analysis video. Thank you so much for watching this, and please stay tuned for another videos. Please stay safe.